So I've just received from Dennis in the Netherlands the precision ground stones, and really well packaged, nice cardboard box with plenty of foam filling nuggets. And the first thing that strikes you is how well made this 3D printed box that Dennis designed is. It's very, very solid. The hinge mechanism is just absolutely perfect. There is no play in that. This is like an old school box that you'd get precision measuring equipment in. It's fantastic. The quality of the print, the material feels really good. And as you can see, when you open the box, these little tabs here move to grip the stones. So when the box is half open, you can't remove the stone. I guess that's like some sort of compliant mechanism or flexure you'd call that. When you open the box flat, you can then remove the stones. They're packaged as well. Let's open one up. So I only went with the two main surfaces being ground, I think. I don't think I opted for the side grinding of the stones. I didn't think it was necessary. Oh yeah, that's a lovely smooth finish on them. And these have been surface ground with a diamond wheel. So they are now precision flat stones, precision ground flat stones, and can be used for cleaning precision surfaces. So I'll pop that one back in. We'll open the other one up. But yeah, these are really nice. This is a 6-inch stone, and these are like an India stone, but instead of Norton, they're just Tyrolet, which is like a more common European brand. The Norton stones are actually a fortune here for some reason. Yeah, lovely, really nice. And then the stones just pop back in the box, and when you shut it again, the stones are solid back in the box. I'll probably put an elastic band around that just for just to be extra safe. But yeah, perfect, ideal for cleaning down your fixtures. And I want these for the table on the mill at work, because quite often putting heavy items on and off of the table, it'd just be good to give it a quick stone before you put it on there. And the table on that mill is absolutely mint, so it'd be nice to keep it as such. So yeah, really happy with them. Total cost to the UK was under £100. I don't know if I'm going to get charged VAT or import duty yet. I'll let you know, but that's still well over, well under half the price that it would cost to get stones from America. So yeah, very happy with them. Thank you, Dennis, D2 Engineering.